to add the button in a Visual Studio project. Open Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and open the project where you want to add the button. Open Form Designer. If you're working with Windows Forms application, locate the form you want to add the button to in the Solution Explorer. Double-click to open the form in the designer. Access Toolbox. In the Visual Studio IDE, find the Toolbox window. If it's not visible, go to View Toolbox to open it. Locate Button Control. In the toolbox, search for the button control. Click and hold the button control, then drag it onto the form where you want to place the button. Alternatively, double-click the button control in the toolbox and it will be added to the form. Customize button properties. With the button selected on the form, you can customize its properties in the Properties window. Change properties such as text, size, position, color, and behavior to suit your requirements. Add event handling. Double-click the button on the form to generate the default event handler for the button's click event. This allows you to write code that executes when the button is clicked. Write button functionality. Inside the event handler method, add the code that defines what happens when the button is clicked.